guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this 2024 New Year's video effect onto your videos on CapCut PC. So for instance, you want to edit like a New Year's video. Select your video. I'm just going to use this example because why not? Actually, I'm just going to use fireworks example. I don't know how well it will work because mostly they add in effects to like people, so actually I might add this as like the background, and I might add in this on top. So go to cutout and select auto cutout to add in the fireworks overlay to that. Go to effects and then select 2024 and just basically add in more effects to it. You can like press and select whichever one you want. There's confetti, there's glitter, sparkles, there's even fireworks if you want to add in more just for some reasons. And you can even add this countdown effect maybe before the fireworks show, like these ones as well. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.